In this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can block people from tagging you on a Facebook post or whatever it might be. So let's just say that you don't want any attention on your account. You don't want anybody to tag you. I'll show you how you can do that in this video. So first and foremost, head over to the bottom right hand corner, click the menu option, scroll your way down to settings and privacy, click settings. And then once you're here, scroll your way down to the audience visibility tab and look for the option profile and tagging. Now click that. When you do, scroll your way down, tagging and implied mentions. The third option is going to be the let anyone tag you option. Now here you have the option to toggle it off or on. Now you can let anyone tag you in posts and comments when the professional mode is on, and this setting is turned off. Not everyone will be able to tag you. So if it's off, not everybody will be able to tag you, and you'll just kind of remain a little bit more silent and less exposure to your account. So I hope this finds you helpful, or this video finds helpful for you. But if you did find it super helpful, leave a like and subscribe. All right, I really do appreciate your guys' support on the channel. But with that being said, I'll see y'all for the next